Do you feel like you've lost your confidence or self-esteem? Are you feeling worn out, looking for a boost of energy? Or are you waiting for inspiration to strike for a boost of creativity? Look no further than carnelian. This brilliant gemstone is known for its ability to promote confidence, self-esteem, making it a perfect tool for meditative practices or simply wearing as jewelry throughout the day. Its vibrant orange-red hue draws the fiery energy of the sun, infusing its wearer with a sense of enthusiasm and drive. This gemstone is a must-have for anyone seeking to tap in their inner potential. Meditating with carnelian helps you draw upon your creativity and personal power. It can fill you with inspiration and a strong sense of confidence. If you feel like you're having trouble coming up with ideas or perhaps lacking in energy, meditating with carnelian can be the perfect solution. Wearing carnelian jewelry is also a great way to carry its positive and inspiring energy throughout the day. In fact, carnelian has been worn in jewelry for thousands of years, and sometimes in ancient cultures, carnelian was worn as a symbol of power. In modern times, it is believed that wearing carnelian can help increase your personal power and confidence every day. Carnelian is also a very protective stone, and many times people will wear it as pendants to act as an energy shield and protect your own power. If you want to wear it as a bracelet, we recommend you doing it on your left hand or your non-dominant hand, also known as your receiving hand. Wearing a carnelian bracelet on this hand will attract positive energies and increase your vitality. Carrying a small piece of carnelian with you is another way to keep up your energy and attract positive vibrations to you. Placing carnelian in your home or workplace increases the positive energy and creative energies of that space. It's very beneficial to place carnelian on your desk or other workspaces, especially if you have a creative job or are struggling to find new ideas. Having carnelian around you can attract inspiration in your place of work and increase your positivity. There are many ways to cleanse your carnelian stone. Because it's a relatively hard stone, carnelian is a water-safe crystal, so water cleansing is a great option. Make sure you are using clean water, as salt water can be harmful to the crystal. You can also use smoke cleansing, soil from the earth, sound cleansing, or placing it under the full moon. Try to avoid using sun to cleanse your stone, as it can affect the color of your carnelian.